This is another big side of the mountain of what I believe they call talus. It's goes up quite a ways. They had a sign back there telling people that they had to stay on the trail. Off-trail use was prohibited. I was thinking, why would someone go off trail? And then we got up here to this, and I thought, yeah, they'd try to climb up it. It's been pretty rocky. We're still in the park, still in the Shenandoah National Park. We'll be out of here in a few days and headed toward Front Royal. That'll be our next stop where we get our next food and shower and stuff. I was just talking about the trail being rocky, and this is why you can't, people wonder sometimes why you can't make more miles in a day on the trail, because they do a certain amount on the treadmill or whatever, and they think, oh, that's not that many miles for a whole day of hiking. But when you get to stuff like this, where you're picking what rock and they move. Granted, I'm being a little overcautious, but it's kind of tricky sometimes to get through these boulder fields. Pretty easy to slip on these, especially if they're wet. We're lucky today they're not wet. We've hiked about 9 miles from Big Meadow's campground, and we're coming up on Skyland Resort. That's where they keep their horses. It's about 84 degrees out today. We're gonna take a break at the resort and maybe have one of those legendary famous blackberry shakes. It's supposed to be the best shake. I had one in 2016 and I like the McDonald's strawberry shake better than that one, so I'm giving it a second chance. I'll give it a rating when I'm done. Sitting here watching the horses for a while, taking a breather. It's pretty difficult hiking in this heat with a 30+ pound pack. Not sure if the GoPro is picking it up, but you can see all the little lights from the town down there in Luray lighting up. I'm just mostly seeing the sunset right now.